Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, what should you not do? What are the mistakes to avoid when you are remodeling a bathroom? So being a custom home builder, luxury renovation contractor, we see a lot of people do a lot of renovations, especially in the Tampa Bay area, and we get to see the ones that go really super well, and we get to see ones that do not go so well. So I want to share with you the common elements that I see in the bathroom remodels that do not go so well. I just want to be transparent here. So the biggest thing, the biggest mistake that I see people make is that they want to reuse materials. That is by far the biggest mistake that you can make, because the thing to keep in mind when you're doing a bathroom renovation is that the materials are not the expensive part. The materials aren't the most costly thing. The most costly thing is the labor, the guys who are actually gonna put the tile on the walls, the guys who are gonna put the vanity in, do the countertop, all that kind of stuff. And so the amount that you're saving versus how much you're decreasing the look, the aesthetics of the area is totally out of proportion. It makes no sense. If you go and look at somebody who reuses their vanity versus somebody who puts in a new vanity in a $30,000 bathroom remodel, there's no question as to what the right way to go is. Now, I would say the only exception to this is if you have a true hardwood vanity, like it is made out of real wood, the full thing, full plywood. It has no water damage, it is in perfect condition, and you want to repaint it, like get it all painted and make it look nice, you could make an argument for that. But at the same time, with the time you're going to take to uninstall the vanity carefully, right, in a way that doesn't damage it, get it all sanded down, get it painted, make it look perfect, touch up the little paint marks, whatever, and then put it back in, I mean, you're probably going to pay 20% more and you could just get a brand new vanity and you could have it look exactly like what you want. So the trade-off here for me has just never ever made sense. The other things that I see people do that's kind of silly is, you know, like using the same toilet, for example. I mean, that's fine if you have a newer toilet, whatever, but a new toilet is like 250 bucks, 300 bucks for a really nice toilet. If you're going to spend 20 or 30 grand on your bathroom remodel, don't think with use the same materials. This is by far, by the way, the biggest mistake that I see people making when they're thinking about a bathroom remodel is they're like, ooh, what can I save in order to like reduce the cost? And it's like, you're gonna barely reduce the cost, but you're gonna drastically reduce how it looks at the end and how happy you are with it. So go for broke, do all of it, replace everything all at once, and you will be happy that you did, seriously. Now, the other thing that people don't do during their bathroom remodel, which I believe is a mistake in what I see, is I see a lot of people try to reduce their budget by taking away features that really add a lot. So for example, one really nice feature to have in a shower when you're doing a bathroom remodel is a nice big recessed niche, like nice and wide, nice and big, nice and deep. And sometimes that takes a couple steps. Sometimes it takes building the wall out so you have the correct depth. Sometimes it takes reframing the wall. You know, sometimes you got to do some funky stuff with the framing to get the niche in there the way that you want it. It is worth the cost to have lots of storage space in your shower. You don't want to be having a shower that literally just the shower you paid 12 grand for, and then you're putting your soap bottle on the floor. That just doesn't make sense. So don't sacrifice the function for, you know, a couple $100. I mean, that's really what we're talking about here. So keep in mind the proportion of what you're going to use and how it's going to be at the end when it's done versus how much you're going to spend on it. That's the biggest thing that I see people get out of whack with, and they make mistakes on it, is they don't do a really great bathroom remodel. They do an okay and like a nice and pretty bathroom remodel, but they could have spent just a little bit more and really gotten exactly what they wanted. So that's what we push people to do. That's why we do custom bathroom designs. So we actually have we're a design build firm. So we design things and then we build them. So part of the design is coming up with exactly what you want that bathroom to look like in all of its minute details, and then showing it to you in a 3D rendering where you can actually see exactly what it's going to look like. So if you're interested in doing that, whether you're in the Tampa Bay area where we build or not, we can do this literally nation or worldwide. We can design your bathroom. So if you're interested in that, go to homelove.construction/design, and we'll help you to not make these mistakes, and we'll also get your bathroom designed and make it look amazing. In addition to that, if this helped you, if this video brought you some value, hit the subscribe button because it does help me out a lot. It makes me feel good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.